A local man heading to a car show tonight with no idea he'd be going home with his dad's vintage ride. Neil Lawsey was just a kid when his dad built the car. It has a 1933 Plymouth body, and he built many of the parts, like the frame, himself. For over 30 years, it sat in a garage, undrivable. This year, he decided to get it restored before retirement and took it into Greg Hawk. With the help of Neil's wife, Luann, Hawk led Neil to believe that it would still be several weeks before the vehicle was in working condition, so they could surprise him with it at this week's Happy Days Cool Car Cruise-In.
I was back there, Lou and I parked back there, and I said, Lou, our car's up there. She said, no, it isn't. And I said, that's our car. And here was a big surprise. I had no idea.
There was like a lot of strong arming on my part because he doesn't like to come over here. And I said, you know, there's going to be cars over here. And I said, I'm going to be busy for the next 3 weeks, so this will kind of be like our last date night for 3 weeks. And he said, okay, I'll do it. So that's how that worked out.
Neil plans to drive his newly restored car more once he retires, like he did back in high school and college.